So hello everyone, welcome you all. So today is the new video and I'm gonna teach you chapter number 3. So basically in this chapter numbers are very important. So let's understand some French numbers, right? So I'm just going to tell you the French numbers. I have made this PDF so you can just watch it. I will just attach it in the description box so you can just have it and have a look over it. So first of all, let me just teach you numbers. French numbers are so easy. Okay, the very important thing is that you have to learn numbers till 16, from 1 to till 16, and then the rest of all are will be very easy. So I'm gonna tell you the spellings. The pronunciation is un is deux, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Here P is silent. Sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize. Okay, so I think you have learned numbers till 16. You guys only have to learn the spellings, right? So we don't have any formula to mug up all the things. So you have to solely depend on you to learn them. UN is un, DEUX is the, TROI is trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize. See here, we are having spelling TREIZE. It's not IE, it's EI, right? Treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, again SEIZE, says. It's not IE, it's EI, right? Says. Dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, 20. See here, spelling of 20 is 1. So what I'm gonna tell you is that the thing is that uh, if you have learned number till 16, the rest of will be easy for you. Why? Because 16 onwards, 16 onwards, 16 onwards, 16 onwards, the number will follow the same pattern approximately. So you can just see that 17 is actually 10 plus 7, that is this is 10 and 7 is 7. Never forget to use this hyphen, right? This simple hyphen. Why? Because in French this hyphen will tell you that two numbers are combined to make a single one. Two numbers are combined here. 2 10 plus 7 are combined to make a single one, that is 17. That's why this is this set. 17 is this one number, hyphen is there to combine the another number, that is set 7. This set is 17. For 18 we have this, first one is this 8, this is 10. Then we have HUIT, with another number with, and we have used hyphen to combine them, this with 18, right? Same here, this enough 19, this enough 19. Then we have 1, here it's only word. 20 we have only word VINGT. We do not have H here, right? We do not have H here. VINGT. Sound of IN is uh, uh, uh. So one pronunciation is one. I hope these things are clear to you till here. Now we are moving ahead to learn numbers more than 20. We have one pattern, that is 21, 31, 41, 51, etc. If we are having this pattern, the pattern with 1 1 1 1 after any number, so then you have to use et means and. There we do not use hyphen. Here hyphen is not used. You only have to use et. That will tell you et means and. In French et means and, that is gonna tell you that there are two numbers. For example, 21 is written as VINGT va. A is and a 20 and 1. 20 and 1. So we are moving ahead and we are going to learn different numbers as well. Same here. Same here. So 20 and 1 is there. Now we are moving ahead to learn 22. As you can see, we don't have words for we don't have et in 22. Sorry for the noise that you can hear in the video, because here is the tufan, you can say, you know, the winds are very fast. So the is 22 here again. As I have told you, in this pattern only et will be there. 21, 31, 41, 51, etc. Again 22. Here we are not having this pattern 21 or 31. So 22 would be va 20. Va means 20. The means 2. The means 2. 22. 20 plus 2 is 22. Again that will be the same pattern. 23 we can write. 20 is VINGT va. Then we use hyphen to combine the numbers. TROIS trois. 24 in the same pattern would be va hyphen quatre. So that's why I have told you that you have to learn numbers till 16. After 16, the numbers are gonna be very easy. We will see them as well. So now the final numbers that we have to cover, that is 30, 40, 50, those kinds of words, those kinds of numbers actually, 30, 40, 50, 60, etc. Okay. So for 30 we have trente, single word, single word. 31 would be 30 and 1, as this is following this pattern 21, 31, 41, 51, right? So because it is following that pattern, we will use it as a 30 and 1. That is, trente is 30 and is a, and is a, and 1 is trente. Here we will not use hyphen. Always remember, here we will not use hyphen. Why? Because et itself joining two numbers. Et means and it is joining these two numbers. That's why we are not using hyphen here. I hope this thing is clear to you guys. Now trente. If you have liked this video, please like the video so that I can understand. Yes guys, you are understanding the things whatever I'm gonna teach you. Quarante is 40. Again 31 you can see trente. 40 is quarante. 41 would be quarante. 40 written. Then 1 is there now, so you have to use et, because again 31, 41, 51, that rule, right, etc. So quarante a is a 1. Et means and this is 40. This is actually 40 plus 1, right? So 40 is quarante. So I'm gonna skip it guys. For the moment I guess I have explained it enough, so you can just watch it again. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box, so I will just make another video as well. cinquante 50, 60, 60. Okay, great. After 60, as in French, we actually don't have word for 70. So 70 can be written as 60 plus 10. 70 in French, we do not have a number actually. We do have, but it is written in this form. We do have, but it is written in this form. We do not have particular number. So that's why we do not have a particular spelling for 70. Okay, we do not have a particular spelling for 70. So 70 can be written as 60 plus 10. 60 is soixante, as you can see here, soixante, 60. Then use a hyphen because we are going to combine two words, this. So you can see here 70 is written. So that's why you have to use a different pattern from here, 70 to 79. Okay, soixante, this is 70. 71 would be, as we do not have number for 70, so we will write, so we 71 can be written as 60 plus 1, and 60 in French is soixante, and 1 is soixante, sorry, so we have to write 71, so we can write 71 as 60 plus 11, not 60 plus 1. If we write 60 plus 1, it is gonna be 61, right? So 71 is 60 plus 11. Soixante is 60. Soixante is 60. Then use et, then use onze. Then use onze. 60 and 11. 60 and 11 is 70. Now I think it's clear to you. 72 would be same, but we do not use et here. Why? Because et will follow that first line order. Okay, 21, 31, 41. Okay, so 72 would be 60 plus 12, because we do not have uh, a single spelling for 70. Single spelling is we do not have. That's why we are writing 70 as soixante-dix. 72 can be written as 60 plus 12. 60 is 60 is 60 is soixante. It's not working. Let me just write by another marker. Sorry. Okay, so 60. I don't know like why it's not working. Okay, just leave it. Sorry, lines are coming on, guys. So I think you have guys understood those words. Okay, now it's working. 72 is 60 plus, what is happening? I think recording video, it's gonna be tough. $72. Okay, 72 is soixante-deux. Always remember 80 is quatre-vingts. Here in 80 we use S. Here we use S in the spelling when 80 is the only word. 80 is the only word, right? After 80 we do not use. Let me just clear it up, and I'm gonna start a new sheet. I hope this will work now. Yes, it's now working. Great. So let's back into our topic. 72, let me write this first. Soixante, 60 written. Then use hyphen because it's not 1, it's 12. So soixante-douze. Soixante-douze. Okay. You can also write soixante-treize. Treize. Treize. Soixante-quatorze. Okay. Like this. You can just follow the spellings. Now 80, 79 would be, always remember, soixante, 60 plus 19. So 19 can be written as, in French 19 is, in French 19 is, in French 19 is actually this enough, right? So I'm just selecting the marker actually. Soixante, this is 10, then again use a hyphen, naf, soixante, this naf. So here you will have two hyphen. The first one to combine this naf is 19, and there's another hyphen is to combine this whole, right? Actually with this one. So soixante, this naf, 69, 79, right? So because 60 plus 19 is 79. Now 80 is, 18 French is quatre-vingts. 18 French is quatre-vingts. Quatre means 4 and 1 means 20. See here, 20 is written 4 times. So that's in the single 80 in the single entity, we always use s. We always use s. Okay, you can see after that 80, after that 80, if you have 81, so now it's not 80 anymore, it's not 80 anymore, it is now preceding the number 80. That's why 81 is there. If 81 is there, you do not have to use s. It's a rule in French. You can just see here s, है ना. Quatre-vingts has an s only when standing alone, right? Has has a s only, s only if 80 is standing alone. See here, only 80 is there, that's why s is there. In 81 it's not alone, we have 80 plus 1, that's why 80 and 1 here. But always remember, after 80, we do not write et. It's a rule. After 80 we do not write et, we can directly write quatre-vingt-un, quatre-vingt-deux, quatre-vingt-neuf, till neuf. Okay, then numbers are easy, I guess. You one thing you have to remember, till 80, that is the last word is 71. Till 71 you have to use word a to combine the words, right? In 81 do not use a. In 81 do not use a. You can simply see there, no et, no et. Okay, no et, that is a. इसका मतलब होता है and. No et before in this series. Before you can see before you don't have to use et in this series. After 80 onwards you don't have to use a. I hope this is clear. Now let's move. 80, 81 is 80, as we are not using 80. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Again the 90 would be, as we 90 would be, we do not have a specific word for 90, so 90 can be written as 80 plus 10. 90 can be written as 80 plus 10, and 80 is quatre-vingts. 80 is quatre-vingts, and 10 is this, quatre-vingts this. Always use hyphen, as I have told you, है ना. Quatre-vingts this is 90, and as you can see here, 91 would be quatre-vingts onze. Quatre-vingts onze. Why onze? Because we do not have word for 90. See here, spelling of 90 is in a combined manner. We don't have a particular word for 90. We don't have a particular word for 90 as we have in 20. For 20 we have a particular word, that is one. For 30 we have a particular word, that is trente. But 90 here is using two words, that is first quatre-vingts, that is 80, and another is 10. Then only we can write 90. So that's why here is the thing, quatre-vingts this. After quatre-vingts this we have quatre-vingts onze. 80 plus 11 is 92. 80 plus 11 is 92. 80 plus 12 is 92. 11 is 91, sorry, 91. 80 plus 12 is 92. Quatre-vingt-douze. 93 is quatre-vingt-treize. 94 would be quatorze. If you say quatre, it would be 84. 84 is quatre-vingts. 80, quatre-vingts is 80, and quatre is 4. So it would be quatre is 84. Quatorze, this is quatorze, 14. That's why it's 94. And the final word, that is cent. C-E-N-T, cent means 100. C-E-N-T, cent means 100. I hope this is clear to you. Numbers are done. Now let's understand this chapter. Okay, why I have used these numbers? Because in this chapter we are having these operations, so mathematical operations. So here you have to use those numbers. Okay, so for example, 4 plus 11 becomes 15. and 15 can be written as quinze. If you have learned the spelling, you will write it correctly. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 is douze. Douze. Let me change the color so that you can see properly. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 13 is treize. Treize. Okay. 13 is treize. Then we have 16. 2 into 8 is 16. That is seize. 5 plus 14 is 19. This neuf. This neuf. 11 is onze. 14 is quatorze. 18 is dix-huit. 16 is seize. 20 is one. So this question is so easy. I think you have done it. It's gonna be very easy. Now, as we have done the topic of numbers, you can easily arrange them. You only have to arrange them in a ascending order. So we don't have actually letters here, so we can just arrange them in a alphabetical order. A B C D we can just write. So the smallest, as we have to do, we have to write them in ascending order. So we will move from smallest one to the largest one. So the smallest one is trois. So let's write A here. After it we have quatre, that is 4. We have to write B here. Then C, six. The biggest one is douze. So we are writing D. In this one, the smallest one is sept, A. Then with B. Then this 10, that is C, onze. So we have to write D. Onze is 11. In this one, A means 1. For the feminine one, you have word une, 1. A means a or in. We have the meaning a and or one as well, right? These two words can be written in the form of article as well. They can be written in the form of numbers, right? So une, when we have to use une, most probably if the word is ending with e, so you will write une. If the word is not ending with e, see here we do not have e here, so you will write un. Okay, one wash, one stilo. Wash means cow. One cow. One pen. Stilo means pen. A. Then B. Those two. B. This is C. Enough 9. And here it is D. Phrase 18. In this question, you don't have to do anything because you only have to listen and repeat the sounds. Say they, say we, O N U, P D G, T T G V, E U T, A N P A O. E is O. Always remember the sound of E is O. A N P O, S R N U, S N C F. These two are the trains, okay, in France. Very, very famous trains. Trains. UNESCO. UNESCO. This is O. Sorry, okay, this is O. UNESCO. UNESCO. Okay, so I hope you have read them. This question is so easy. It's an activity for you guys. I hope you can do it. Let me just give you one hint, then you can take the screenshot and do it at your home and practice is do that exercise. Very first you have to through means find out. So you have to find the words, that the hidden words that are there in that table. Okay, so you have to see and try to find out some words, French words obviously, right? So you can see, I guess, here a word I am getting, that is bonjour. It's a French word. Bonjour means good morning, hello. Or let me give you some more. You can see monsieur. Monsieur is Mr. Sir, monsieur. Okay, one more is there, salut. So you guys have to do on your own. I'm not gonna tell you all the things. You can just do on your own. Okay. So like this, you can just find out some other words as well. So I hope this is done. Okay. Also, can you just see this image? You have to just find. Let me tell you. Crayon means pencils. Crayon means pencils. So how many pencils are there? One, two, three. Three. So where is three written? Trois a. This is written three. Then we have livre. Livre means book. So in my opinion, these are books for me because we have some logo on the books, and here we are having name slips. So these are most probably cahier because we are having the same type of name slips, right? So they are cahier. Cahier means notebooks, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cahier. Where is 7 written? So it would be G cahier 7. And livre we are having only 2. So where is 2 written? The. So we will use E here. Livre the. Okay. Gom means eraser. We have only one eraser. So when UNE, I hope UNE. You got it? Why UN is there? Ideally, we are also having UN, but UN is only used when the word is masculine. This word, as we are having E in the last, so most probably this word is the feminine one. That's why we have to use UNE, right? If the word is not ending with E, then you have to use UN. Both of them have the same meaning. That is one. That is one. So gom, F, F. Okay. uh, as we have only one eraser, then you have stylo. How many stylo are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 pens are there. So where is quatre written? B. Okay. Regular means rulers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rulers are there. Scales you can see. You can say regular. How many regular? 5, 5. Where is 5 written? Sang. Okay, see, I have got it. Now throws means pouch. These are the pouches, your geometry box, you can say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where is 6 written? Okay, D. Say. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. One very important thing, we have this concept Ilya. Always remember, it's a phrase. Ilya means there is, there are. Ilya means there is, there are. For there is and there are, we use Ilya. Suppose you wanted to say there is a cat. Cat in French is chat. In French, cat is chat. So there is, as I have told you, we have a phrase for it, that is il y a. So you have to write il y a, il y a. For a, that a means one. A means one. So you have to write a. Un. Un means one. A. Il y a un chat. Il y a un chat. Suppose I have to write there are some cats. There are some cats. There are some cats. For the word some is des. Des means some. Okay, there are some cats. So Ilya, again, as I have told you, Ilya means there is as well as there are. For the singular one and for the plural one, we have the same phrase. Ilya, there are. For some, we have a word that is they. We have just done it. Ilya, they Shah. Cats we have to use as to make it plural. Shah. Ilya de Shah. I hope this is clear to you guys. One very important thing here we have combien de. Again, it's a phrase. Combien de means how much, how many. How much, how many. How much, how many. कितने हैं. Okay. So Ilya means there are, there is. Combien de, how many. Gom, as I have told you, we are having this gom eraser. Do means in. Do means in. Do means in. Do means in. It's a preposition. Do means in. La means the. Sak means bag. Sak means bag. So you can see this blue pouch is a bag, a whole bag. Okay. So you have to observe this image and you have to tell me the answer. Ilya, Combien de gomme, how many erasers dans la sac? So your answer would be Ilya, there is how many gomme? Only one. So write gomme as it is only one. Obviously it is the singular one, so we do not have to write s. We don't have to write as in the question it's asking. We don't have to write s here because we have only one eraser. So for one you have to write une. Why une? Because in the last you are having e. It's a feminine word. It's a feminine word. Ilya in gomme. The means in. Le means the. Sak means bag. Ilya in gomme the sak. So you only have to use number. You only have to use number for this combien the. Okay, again here is the combien the. How many? How many what in the question is asked? Leave. Two leave. So instead of combien the you have to write the, and the rest of the answer will be same. Ilya the livre. Rest of the answer will be same. Le sac. Now again see the image. What is asked? Combien the again asked na. What is a cahier? Cahier means notebooks. How many notebooks? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is set. S-E-P-T. S-E-P-T. S-O-P-T. S-O-P-T. Ilya, there are 7 cahiers dans le sac. Next would be combien the règle. Règle means rulers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 règle. So you have to write Ilya. Combien the 5 is 5. Ilya 5 règle dans le sac. Ilya combien de crayon? Crayon is pencils. 1, 2, 3 pencils are there. So trois. Ilya trois crayons, pencils, crayon dans le sac. So exercises are done. We have done all the exercises. Hope these things are clear to you. Okay, that last one you can do on your own. It's a activity for you. You can just have a screenshot, and the numbers are already done. We have done the numbers. Okay, let's learn some vocabs. After learning those vocabs, we are going to translate the chapter as well. It's a very frequent word. O means we. Okay, the formal way is nu. Nu means we, but in the most of the time in our daily conversation, you will listen O. O means also we. Okay, au papa, le français. Okay, so like you can use nu. O is also correct, but it's in a more general way. Okay, nu is the formal way you can say, or you can say the grammatically correct way is the nu. Okay, may means my, possessive adjective. Te, your, eleve, people. Ilya, there is, there are. As I have told you, it can be used for the singular one as well as for the plural ones. Combien the, how many, how much, how many. So are, so means are. Voici, here is, here are. And we have a word laba. Laba. L-A-L-A-B-A-S. B-A-S. Laba. Laba means there. Laba means there. Laba means there. For here we have Vosi. Laba is there. Laba. We say la. L-A. On A we have this symbol, that is accent egu. I guess egu or la ba, but accent is there. Laba. Okay. So sak means bag. Sak means bag. Nu, again nu means we. O means also we. It's a more grammatically correct way. Nu. Écrivons, write. In letter, a letter. See here we are having e in the last. In the last. This e. That is why we are having article une. Letter, the train. Rule, goes, runs. Rule, goes, runs. With, fast. May, put. Epee, thick. Epee means thick. Les chiffres, the numbers, the figures, or you can say the units. The units. les chiffres. So basically in this chapter we will learn the numbers, the figures, the units. Okay, so here is the chapter number 3, les chiffres, the units, numbers. Lesson 3, les élèves. Élève is kind of pupil. Pupil you can say बच्चे, जन, लोग. So the pupil, the children you can say also. Most probably it's a pupil, but you can also say it's children. The बच्चे, the people are saying bonjour monsieur, good morning sir. The professor, bonjour mes élèves, as we have done the vocab. Mes means my. Good morning my students. Qu'est-ce que? Qu'est-ce que means what? We have this phrase, qu'est-ce que? Qu'est-ce que? It's a whole phrase. Qu'est-ce que means what? This whole phrase means what? Qu'est-ce que? If after que, as we are having e here, this e will convert into the apostrophe. This e will convert into the apostrophe as we are having vowel here. Okay, so it will be kill. That's why QUI. This apostrophe is what? It's actually e. It's actually e. Kaskilia, as we have done, Ilya means there is or there are. So what is there? What is there? Do means in, la means the, kartabl means bag, school bag. School bag. Kaskilia dola kartabl. What is there in your? Sorry, it's not written your. Kaskilia dola kartabl. What is there in the, la means the, in the school bag? What is there in the school bag? Dola kartabl, in the school bag. The children are saying dola kartabl, in the school bag. Ilya, there is, or you can say there are, because we are having too many objects. So first of all you have to say there is. Why? Because means one. There is a pencil. Two, there is two. The gum, two erasers. Trois stylo, three pens. Again the teacher is saying, the professor is saying, a means and. A means and. Pronunciation is a. A means and. A combien de livres? How many books? How many books? So बच्चे are saying, students are saying, people are saying, il y a quatre livres. There are four. Quatre is again four. As we have discussed that this is the chapter about numbers, the shape, the units, how we will use those units in our day-to-day life. The numbers that we are using are day-to-day life. So you can see quatre. Quatre is four. Okay, it's used in our day-to-day life. Yeah, there are four books in means in the school bag. There are four books in the school bag, or you can say in the bag. Okay. The professor, teacher is saying, Akash, où sont tes copains? Où means where. Où means where if it have accent. Okay. If it doesn't have accent, où means or. See here we are having accent on u, on u. So that's why the meaning of here this u will be where. Okay. Où sont, where are they, your copains, male friends. Copain is actually male friends. Copain, male friends. Okay, male friends. Où sont tes copains? Where are your male friends? Okay. The whatever word you are not getting, we have just covered the vocabulary, right? So you can just guess the idea from there. Akash is saying, Vasi, here are, or here is. Here is or here are. Vasi, may, my. See here, we are having plural. May, cinq, copa, my five male friends. So the meaning of Vasi will be here are. Here are, Vasi means here are. Here are my, may means my. Cinq means five, copa means male friends. Here are my five male friends. The professor is saying, the teacher is saying, Akash, il y a combien de garçons? Akash, there is how many boys? Garçon means boys. Here are how many boys in the class. In the class. Akash is saying, one monsieur, 20, sir. Again, a number is used in our daily conversation. 20, sir. Akash is saying, how many number of boys are there? in the class? 20, sir. Akash is saying 20, sir. The professor is saying a combia the fee means girl. Fee means girls. As you can see, we are having s in the last, so that's why this is written in the plural form. Girls. And how many girls? Akash is responding him zero. Zero means zero. Zero means zero. How many girls are there in the class? Zero. So the chapter is done. I hope this is clear to you all, guys. Whatever problems you are having in this chapter, just let me know through your comments. If you have just liked the video, please give it a thumbs up so that it will motivate me to make such kinds of videos to help you out. And yeah, thank you very much to watch this video, and enjoy your day. Bye bye, take care.